Today on the channel, I'm going to be showing you Google's new campaign total budget feature. Right now, it's in the process of rolling out to PMax campaigns and will probably be available for other campaign types soon. Hey, Ed here from 10,000 Foot View, and I've got another Google Ads quick tip for you today. Just before I jump in, a reminder to please like our content and subscribe to the channel. We post about Google Ads at least once every week. Okay, so as I said up front, Google is rolling out this new feature in beta, and that is campaign total budget. So this is very useful if you're going to run a flighted campaign, and that just means a campaign with a set start and end date. And a scenario like this might be if you have a particular sale you're promoting for a period of time, or if you are attending a trade show and you want ads to run, from beginning to end of that trade show and something like that. While most campaigns in Google Ads tend to be evergreen and you work off of monthly or daily budgets, with a flighted campaign, you do, as I say, have a kind of a start and end date and usually have a total budget in mind. And the way we handle that now essentially is we take the total budget and we divide it by the number of days. So it's not a big thing, but it would be nice, as we have in Meta Ads, to be able to do a flighted campaign with a total budget for the campaign run. So that is the feature that's being rolled out. You can see here, have it in this account in beta. And to access it, you're just going to go through. In this case, I'm creating a new PMax campaign. And when you get to the budget option, you're going to select the campaign total budget. I could put in $2,500. And the other thing that happens is it presents you with a start and end date. Now, this setting is available, I believe, in all campaign types. So you can have a start and end date already. But when you are setting a total budget, Google just prompts you because you do need to set actual dates. So in this case, we'll just have it. This could be for a Black Friday sale, for example, where we're having this start now and run through the end of November. And then you would just go to the next step of the campaign. So obviously, this campaign would launch immediately, but you could defer this right to start tomorrow. And then it would automatically end of day on the final day here. So it's a nice thing. It's not a big thing, but for advertisers that do run a lot of flighted campaigns, this will save a bit of time. There'll be a little more clarity, because when you look at the reports, you're going to see the total budget, and probably budget spent to date. I haven't run one of these. I'm assuming that's what we'll see. But that would be nice to have, because you can kind of see, oh, I've consumed a third of the budget and I got this much more to go, rather than just kind of the daily budget. Anyway, it's a short one today. Hopefully you find this new feature useful once you get access, and I will see you next time.